If you want to make questions mandatory in SurveyMonkey, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to require an answer for a question so respondents can't skip it. This is super useful when you need complete survey data, especially for required feedback, contact details, or any question that absolutely needs a response. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click on Survey. This takes you into the area where your surveys are listed and where you can open the one you want to edit. Now, find the survey that contains the question you want to make mandatory. Hover over the question, and when the edit option appears, click Edit. This opens the question settings so you can change how that question behaves for respondents. From here, look for the Options menu and click it. The Options panel is where SurveyMonkey lets you control things like answer validation, display settings, and whether a question is required. In this case, you want to tick the box that says Require an answer to this question. Once that box is checked, SurveyMonkey will make that question mandatory, which means people will not be able to move on without answering it. This is a great way to improve data quality and reduce incomplete responses. After selecting the required option, don't forget the final step. Click Save. Saving is important because if you leave the page without saving, your changes may not be applied. Once saved, your question will now be marked as required in the survey. That means when someone fills out your form, they'll have to answer that question before continuing. And that's it. You've now made a question mandatory in SurveyMonkey in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.